Welcome back to the channel Tech Life Industry.
Tech Life Industry.
Today's session is about a basic need of a human being. We know shelter, food and clothing are the basic needs of a human being. The evolution of clothing is our subject today. We know there are a lot of ways to beautify a clothing, like adding frills to it, mural painting, normal painting, embroidery, etc. Today we are talking about embroidery. How did we do embroidery in earlier days and how we are doing embroidery nowadays. When we talk about painting, adding frills, etc., these all are foreign objects to a garment. When we talk about embroidery, it is an inner part like thread. Inner part in the sense threads combine a cloth or a garment. So threads are used for embroidery as well. The difference is that we take different colored threads for doing embroidery. So embroidery becomes a part of that garment or a clothing when it's added to or added for beautifying it, or rather identifying it. We said about identification and beautification. We can do name printing on a garment, which is for identification, but when you put a flower on it, it is a beautification. That is the difference. Both can be done with an embroidery. How did embroidery do in earlier days? We will have a comparison of older days and new age embroidery machines. In earlier days, it used to have a manual system with a frame and fabric embedded on it, and we used to stitch it with a needle and a colored thread. Then a simple tool with a needle and thread on it came in. Then the manual sewing machine with embroidery, limited embroidery facility came in. Then the motorized embroidery machine came in. Now, when we say about motorized embroidery machine, it is not one machine. It is simultaneously 56 machines. We will see what is that 56 machine we are talking about. We talked about many digits, but when we talk about another digit, it is about the speed. Manual stitching is 40 times slower than the machine. In other words, machine produces 40 times faster than a manual stitching. What all you can do? Saris, shirts, industrial garments, when it is 40 times faster, it can do embroidery on leather items like car seats, upholstery things, bags, etc. When we talk about digit 56, it is the number of heads in a embroidery machine. When it is manual, one stitch at a time, but when it is 56, the machine can do the same job 56 times, which means when we produce one item, machine produce up to 56, depending on the heads of the machine or depending on the machine we have. In the machines, there are 1 head to 56 are there. In between, 6 are there, 4 are there, 8 are there, 12 are there, 24 are there. Different types of machines, according to our budget, we can have it. Now, we'll have to have a comparative study as well. Manual thing, we can do one color at a time. Here also one color at a time, but you can have 12 colors one by one without touching the machine. You know, when we change a thread manually, how much laborious job it is. Machine is super fast. We will see how fast it is stitching. And we talked about the heads or 56 numbers. What is a head? This is what a head is. One head into 56 is the machine's capacity available in the market now. We have seen materials on which we can do embroidery, but it is not that so cheap. Comparatively it is cheaper, but when we compare about manual, the price or the cost may be different. In an embroidery, there can be different things that can be done. It can be a name, it can be a shape, it can be a mark, it can be even a picture. These all got different timings to finish. Say for example, when we do an outline only, say for example a zero, if you do a zero with outline only, it is faster and the machine produces with a minimum time. But when you fill that zero with a color, the stitches go to multiple folds and the time consumption, electricity consumption, etc. are also multiple fold. So it is not that cheaper and it is not that easier also. It all depends what we do on it. We have learned many things but yet to see how it is working. Now we will go to a machine, not a machine, multiple machines with the step-by-step process, and we will see how it is been done from beginning to end. What we see in green color here are the frames used for fitting fabric into embroidery machine. These are the smallest ones in frames. Next process is fitting the frame on the machine. That's what we are seeing here. To give stability to the machine or to the frame, there is a base. You can see the white object which was there before fitting the frame. So that is required to get a clearer picture. When the fabric is loose, the product will be, or the embroidery output will not be that perfect. Now we can see a big frame on which smaller frames are fitted, and it all moves simultaneously along with the big frame. So forward, backward movements made in synchronized way so that shapes are stitched as per the design fed into the machine. Whether it is a letter or a picture, machine takes it as an image. Every letter is an image for the machine, so it reproduces different images every time. When we give a wrong image, the machine naturally produces a wrong output. What we are seeing now is a word security being printed for backside of a shirt or a t-shirt. This is one of the biggest frames we can fit on a embroidery machine. Like this, the 24 numbers are made at a time. This machine got 24 head, it means. This is what the control panel of the machine. We can see whatever the finished part is shown as red letters, and balance 3 letters are yet to be printed. We can see SCCUR is printed, balance 3 more is remaining, and we can see the remaining space as well. Here in this machine got 9 threads capacity, so we can put different colors or even similar colors, 9 cones of threads at a time. So this will print one by one according to the design requirement. This is also a bigger frame. What we are seeing is a greater speed stitching on this machine. Here what we see is a breakdown. Out of many heads, you can see all of them are green, but one is flashing red. That means that head got some problem. It could be either the thread is broken or is out of stock, something like that. Now the technician had rectified it, and it also turned into green, and the machine, all of the heads are working now. Even though these all heads are working, if we need, we can switch on only one number. We can switch off all others, because sometimes it is not necessary you have 18 or 24 at a time. It could be 2 or 5 also. So if it is 5, out of 24, 19 will be switched off, 5 will be working. Now what we are seeing is the automobile embroideries. These all are used for covering the seats. See main brands. You can see the Ram, Toyota Camry, and Dodge. Now on, when you pay attention to any fabric or garment, you can see that almost everything has one sort of embroidery on it. Almost all branded shirts are coming with embroidery of logo on it. Now, when you talk about logo of branded t-shirts, it is very tiny, and embroidery machine that produces tiny embroidery images or marks are highly expensive. When you make a bigger or a normal machines are not that expensive, but it will cost you nearly $3,000 to $65,000 based on the number of heads you select. Hope this was a bit informative for you. If so, like, comment, share and let us know your feedback. Thank you.